Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement turn signal and windshield wiper switch that fits a variety of Ford trucks, including the F-150, F-250, F-350, 450, and 550 from around 2011 and 2013. So this switch installs on the left-hand side of the steering column, and as you can see here, it has the wiper control here. By rotating it, the wiper spray on the end here, and then the turn signals up and down, as well as the high beams by pulling. This switch is a direct replacement for the factory switch. As you can see here, it clips and installs with screws. When this is removed, the factory electrical connector is visible and plugs into there. Now, if you guys have any questions about this part, if it's the right one for your truck, or anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.